What's up, everyone? This is Blue with SDGT, and thank you for joining me for this preview of the AJAZZ AKP153. This specific model is the AJAZZ AKP153E, and it's as simple as a drag and drop. So if you want to put weather to the side here, you have that option. By the way, I hope that everyone in Orlando and everyone in the hurricane path, I'll say. I don't just want to, no offense to anyone else, but yeah, definitely stay safe out there with the upcoming storm. We just had Helene roll through and definitely make a not so positive impact. I'll say that. So I'll definitely be safe out there, and it's comes to mind, with the setting up this weather. So if you want to have your date on there, as you see, whatever I'm dropping into this vertical screen here, it'll be right there for you. And as mentioned I mentioned this in a gameplay video, but I do recommend having like a timer in one of these, like if you do live streaming or if you do a certain task where you need to record, or even if you want to use it to remain on task or do something within a certain time frame before you go on to something else, to make sure that you have optimal time management. Definitely have a timer. And as you see, you have your time zones here. I'm on Eastern Time. I'll just put EST, Eastern Standard Time. And you can switch between the default or the LED. Some people may like that nice little clean pop right there, while others may prefer a more modern touch. Just like what you see here is what you see on the studio controller. And let's see what else I can put on here to show you guys. Let's do a custom sound, which some of you may use for podcasts and other live streaming purposes. So I have this on here. Let's go into a file. So what I'm doing here, which it's not showing on the screen here, actually, because it's fixed on the Steam Dock screen specifically. But let's see if I can get a better view for you guys. There we go. So what you see here is me. I went into a folder, got an image. I'm able to zoom out, zoom in, and from that I can either use the original full image, or I can crop it to a certain area. Shout out to Boosie. Now what I'm going to be doing with this is taking, and so what you see here is I have the Boosie image. Now, some of you may be wondering why I have Boosie, but some of you know. So I'm going to be using this sound file from Boosie. And so what I did was put the image in, went selected the file, and from there, what I'll be able to do now is just go simply.
Come on, man.
And so you heard that. I'll turn up the volume a little.
Come on, man.
And so it's just as easy as that. You literally go in, set up something that you want, and now you have that shortcut to utilize. You also have your scene shift. So if you want to switch between scenes, that way you can just go right over to that and jump right over. Put the name in there, streaming or recording, or just leave it blank. You can even switch up the icons if you want. And I added these certain packs in here. I'm actually going to be using it. I'll just go with this. And so you see now I have this specific icon on here. What you see here is what you actually see on the screen. Like it looks glary on the camera, but what you actually see is the nice full clear image, including the one with Boosie. It's not grainy. What you see here is what's on the actual studio controller. And so what I would do with this is hit this and it will take me over to this. And so these are the ones that I have for recording, live streaming, having the controller or the mic, I should say, the mic on or off, muted, unmuted. For example, now you can hear me talking. I have two different Boosie recordings just because it's funny. Shout out to Boosie.
Come on now, dog.
No offense.
Come on, man.
Or I apologize. Get different options that you can choose from here. And personally, I don't think that the average person is actually going to utilize all these. But like, let's say if you're serious about putting this thing to maximum use, you can have your stuff for home use, like basic functions, like the web browsers and things like that. Being productive in regards to the your office work. Like let me go and set something up for my IT logins and things like that, or another company, or your calculators and whatever the case may be. And if you want to know what type of other offerings they have, you go up here to the store. It's more than just icons. You just see Black Myth Wukong as a favorite. You also have the different plugins, and some of these you will see like wait a minute, isn't that on the Elgato Stream Deck? Like yes. Now some of these are on there because remember they're similar on devices. If both can do the same, it's like why wouldn't the company or the creator who made them want them to be used on multiple devices. And so you see some of these on here as well. You have Autodesk 3ds Max. I haven't used that in so long, as well as Blender. So I wouldn't even know where to get started. Excel, your system monitor, voice mod, Photoshop, PowerPoint, After Effects, Cinema 4D, Adobe Illustrator, Lightroom, and I'll say Spotify. It isn't December yet, so I hope that you reconsider bringing the axe down on the Spotify car thing, because that just isn't fair to your supporters who bought that product, and then you're going to yank the rug from under them. It's just not cool at all, and we don't support that. You have your own Twitch tools, advanced tools to control Twitch from your Stream Dock. Features include manage giveaways, clip to chat, send chat messages, ban users, update stream title and tags, Twitch pager, flash a Stream Dock on follow, subs, bits, channel points, or page command. Channel monitor shows which of your favorite streamers are now live, and all that good stuff. So all this stuff is available on here. Speed test, shadow play, and the list goes on. And so thank you for joining me for this preview of the things that are available on the AJAZZ Studio Controller, and how easy you can set things up and put them to use. And you don't just stop there, like oh, these are the only options I can have. Like, no, you can click on plus and create another one, and have various ones for your uses. So on that note, this has been Blue with SDGT. Thank you so much for joining me for this preview of the AJAZZ Studio Controller user interface and how to set things up. And they're as easy as going in, dragging and dropping, setting things up the way you want them set up, and going from there. If you're interested in grabbing one, use one of the links that you see in the description or in this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on.